acceleration is up. When an acceleration is up, the apparent weight will be greater than the true weight. Right? When the acceleration is up, apparent weight will be greater than the true weight. Keep in mind that the lift problem will be based on where the acceleration is acting, not with the motion of the lift. Lift yav kade move agtade namage bekagilla. We don't want the motion of the lift. We need the direction of acceleration. Correct? Acceleration beku, whether it may be a retardation or acceleration. We will not bother about that. And we will not use the sign of that also. Other sign kuda use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. Acceleration negative, acceleration positive ಅಂತನೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. Correct? Now direction, lift up, apparent weight will be greater than the true weight. Lift down, acceleration down, a down, apparent weight will be less than the true weight. Matadi. Apparent weight will be less than the true weight. Yes, sir. A down, apparent weight will be less than the true weight. A is equals to 0, true weight. A is equals to 0, apparent weight will be equals to true weight. Correct? Apparent weight will be equals to true weight. Correct? Next, A is equals to G, freely falling body. A is equals to G, freely falling. In that case, apparent weight will be equals to current. What is apparent weight when A is equals to G? 0. Very good. Means there is no pressure acting on the weighing machine. There is no pressure acting on the weighing machine. Weighing machine mele a pressure beelta illa. Then the apparent weight will be equals to 0. These are the cases we learned in the last class. Correct? Ivattin dina ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ serious ಆಗಿ in ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ upgraded version of the lift ಹೋಗೋಣ. We will move to the upgraded version of the lift and we will analyze what is a lift, how the lift problems will be asked in the examination. ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. It is very important question for your NEET examinations. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? Shall we start solving a problem and shall we start understanding the concept behind the lift? The next concept is very interesting. Super ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾರು ಆ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು. There is no formula at all. Logic thinking ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The next concept is lift moving from ground floor to first floor. ಸಕಲಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಿದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ GF ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ಗೆ. GF ಅಂತ GF ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. FF ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ಗೆ. FF ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ರೈಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದಟ್ ಆನ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ತನಿಷಾ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ?
Yes, sir.
Fine. It's working properly. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Right, it's working properly. Get back. So lift ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. It is moving from ground floor to
First floor.
Ground floor to first floor. Super. ಈಗ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಜೀವಂತವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನಗೂ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Ground floor to first floor. Let me write ground floor GF. Let me write first floor FF. Let me write first floor FF. Analysis ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. We will try to analysis. ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. It is very simple. We will try to understand what is this. Lift is on ground floor ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ. Lift is on ground floor ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ. What is the velocity of this lift when it is at ground floor? What is the velocity of the lift when it is on the ground floor? 0. Super. The velocity of the lift is equals to 0. If the velocity of the lift is equals to 0, then acceleration of the lift is also equals to 0. Correct? If the acceleration of the lift is equals to 0, then apparent weight will be equals to true weight. Any doubt with
Yes.
this? No doubt in this. when it is on the ground floor aliddaga velocity is equals to 0. If velocity is equals to 0, acceleration 0. If acceleration is equals to 0, apparent weight will be equals to 2 eta. Sir. Vapas barana sir first floor ಗೆ. Let me check what the lift is doing at the first floor. If first floor ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ what is the velocity of the lift? First floor reach ಆಗುತ್ತೆ lift ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ನೌ? ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂತು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ನೌ? 0. What is the velocity of the lift now? 0. If v is equals to 0, a is equals to 0. If a is equals to 0, n is equals to mg na, and the apparent weight will be equals to true weight. ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ apparent weight is equals to true weight ಆಗ್ತದೆ. At the ground floor apparent weight will be equals to true weight. At the first floor apparent weight will be equals to true weight. No doubt in this, no doubt in this. Very simple. Here the velocity of the lift is 0, then acceleration is 0. If acceleration is 0, n is equals to mg, apparent weight is equals to true weight. Done. Ground floor done. At first floor, apparent velocity is equals to 0. Therefore, acceleration is equals to 0. If acceleration is equals to 0, apparent weight will be equals to true weight. Sir, done, sir. First floor, ಮತ್ತೆ ground floor ಅಲ್ಲಿ done ಆಗಿದೆ. Let me analyze this momentum by taking a two portion in its path. ಎರಡು portion ತಗೋತೀನಿ in its path. Let me take this position as A, and let me take this position as B, and let me take this position as C. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Greater than true weight. ಯಾವಾಗ ಪುನೀತ್? When it is greater than true weight, ಪುನೀತ್? Middle. Very good. Middle. Observe ಮಾಡೋಣ. Super. Observe ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Let me assume the lift is moving in this direction. Whether the velocity increases or decreases if the lift want to move in this direction. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ lift ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Whether it is moving in this direction, whether its velocity should increase or decrease. Whether the velocity should increase, let me write the velocity is increasing. If velocity is increasing means acceleration should be in this direction. If velocity should increase means acceleration should be in this direction. Acceleration should be in this direction. If acceleration is up, what is n? M into g plus a. Right, sir. When it is moving from A to B, and it is moving from A to B, apparent weight will be greater than the true weight. Done? Any doubt in this? No doubt, sir. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, sir. From B to C, observe ಮಾಡಿ. Lift is moving in this direction only. Velocity is in this direction only. Correct? Lift is moving in this direction only. Whether the velocity increases or decreases from B to C. Whether the velocity increases or decreases from B to C. B to C ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. It has to reduce to 0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ velocity should goes on decreases. One sense use ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ? It has to stop at the first floor. If it want to stop at the first floor, it has to decrease its velocity in this direction. ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್. It has to decrease its velocity in this direction. If velocity is decreasing, then acceleration should be in this direction. Correct? Acceleration should be in this direction. Velocity is decreasing in this direction. This will act as retardation. This will act as acceleration, and it will act as a retardation. Velocity decreasing in this direction, the acceleration is acting in this direction. Then apparent weight in this case is equals to n is equals to m of g minus e. M of g minus a, ಇಲ್ಲಿ m of g plus e. So this is the concept you have to remember. Based on this, you will get a lot of questions in the form of graph. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಐ try to write the graph with the help of this concept. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A to B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. What happens from A to B? What happens from A to B? Recall ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. A to B ನಲ್ಲಿ velocity increases, velocity is upward, correct? Velocity is upward and increasing. Velocity is upward and increasing. Velocity is upward and increasing. Then acceleration is towards. Then acceleration is upward. Then acceleration is upward. Therefore n is equals to m of g plus a. Correct. From B to C, velocity is upward. Velocity is upward and decreasing. Velocity is upward and decreasing. Then acceleration is downward. Therefore n is equals to m of g minus a. N is equals to m of g minus a. No doubt in the position A and C. A, C in position no doubt is anangge, because velocity is 0, acceleration is 0. Then true weight is equals to apparent weight. Any doubt in this? Bega comment matadre, we will move forward and make a note on that. Very important. With the help of graph, we will solve some problems related to lift is moving from ground floor to first floor. Very important concept on that. You will get this in the examination, right? Shall we move to plot a graph? Any response from all 30 those who are present here? Is there any doubt with this? Recall first again what we did. At position A, velocity is 0, acceleration is 0, apparent weight will be equals to true weight. Done. At first floor, velocity is 0, acceleration is 0, therefore apparent weight will be equals to true weight on the first floor. Right, done. When it is moving from ground floor to first floor, in one case there may be one more case apart from this until after the graph. Graph of the case. So when it is moving from ground floor to first floor, I have divided it two parts. From A to B, the velocity is upward and it is increasing. Therefore, acceleration is acting upwards. If it is acting upwards, apparent weight will be equals to, apparent weight is greater than the true weight. Done. Next thing is that when it is moving from B to C, here also velocity is upward, but velocity decreasing. It has to decrease and it becomes 0. Decreasing, therefore acceleration is acting downwards. If acceleration is acting downwards, then apparent weight will be less than the true weight. Superb. Tanisha, A is equals to G. A is equals to G barala. A is equals to 0 agutam case. You know, when it is moving, increasing, acceleration is in this direction. At particular position, velocity may be constant. It may move with constant velocity. There is a possibility of when the lift is moving, after some time it may move with constant velocity, then it may decrease. Velocity increases, moving with constant, then it may decrease. Is there a possibility in that? So I'll check afterwards. When it happens, it may happen always, Tanisha. Ground floor in the increased velocity. After reaching middle of the ground floor and first floor, it may move with constant velocity. Then when it is moving near to a first floor, it may decreases its velocity. Possibility there, but in land in the body, I have taken only from here to here increase and suddenly decrease velocity. There may be a possibility that velocity increases, it may be constant up to here and it may decrease here. Are you getting my concept? Yes, of course. In the increase of the velocity, it may move with constant velocity for some time, then it may decrease its velocity. Is there a possibility in there? Right? But I have taken a situation that it increases up to here, then decrease. It increases up to here, then decrease. Is it clear? I think there is no doubt in this diagram and the concepts what I have written on the board. Shall we move to plot a graph? Sir, explain from B to C once again. Very good part. B to C. B to C, observe Madi. Fahad, speak with me. B to C. Fahad. Matadi.
Yes, sir.
B to C. In which direction the lift is moving? Upward or downward? Upward. Lift is moving upward. means velocity is upward, correct? Velocity is upward.
Yes, sir.
Right? Then whether the velocity decreases or increases from B to C.
Increases, sir.
Decrease ಆಗಬೇಕು, increase ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. It should decrease its velocity because it has to come to rest. After reaching at certain height, it has to come to rest and it has to decrease its velocity now.
Yes, sir.
It has to decrease its velocity. If it want to decrease its velocity, then acceleration should act in the opposite direction. Correct? Acceleration should be downwards. Velocity decreasing means
Yes, sir.
acceleration downwards. Simple logic. Velocity decreasing means retarding. So retarding. If A is equals to in this direction, and they'll get apparent weight will be equals to m of g minus e. Is it clear, sir?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Clear. Thank you, sir.
So, any doubt? Comment model, we will move forward to the product graph. Yes, madam. Acceleration negative. They will not take the sign. We will not take the sign of the accelerations. That acceleration e concepts and keep in mind, don't take the negative of that. Acceleration is up, down, straight, accelerating, retarding and the formula. So lift is massless. Yes, of course. E case lift massless, sir. Problem of lift mass person mass, we have to add the total mass of that. Not putting that. Correct, sir? Lift in mass in both, sir. And there is no person inside that. The total mass of the lift is lift as well as the person who is standing inside the lift. Lift to lift on total mass right? And do remember acceleration sign acceleration sign acceleration up down at the don't take the signs of an acceleration in solving a problem. Take it as very serious, right? Shall we move to write the graph based on this? Very good. 99% of the concepts based you are done. You can solve any kind of questions related to it. If graph a problem check problem. Let me try to write a graph now. Which kind of graph I have to write? I have to write VT graph. VT graph. Observe carefully. Initially velocity increases. According to the diagram what I have written previously, initially velocity increases, then velocity decreases. Initially velocity increases, then velocity decreases. This is the kind of graph I can get with the help of the previous example. Correct? So let me name it as O A B and so let me drop a perpendicular from here to here. So this is acceleration. So this acceleration is upward. Correct? Acceleration is upward. Correct? Then n1 is equals to n g m of g plus a. Is it right? So this acceleration is a2. Let me call it as a2. Then a2 is downward. If a2 is downward, n2 is equals to m of g minus a banditi. Correct? M of g minus a. Is it right, sir? Super. So this angle will be equals to theta1. Let this angle will be equals to theta2. Very good. Very important concept. This angle is equals to theta1 and this angle is equals to theta2. This is theta1 and this is theta2. So if I want to find out a1, a2, if I want to find out a1 is equals to tan theta1. Slope of VT graph is acceleration. Slope of VT graph is acceleration. If I want to find out a1, it is equals to tan theta1. Super. If I want to find out a2 is equals to tan theta2. A2 is equal to tan theta2. Right? So remember this. It will help you out to solve a problem. This is graph number 1. This is graph number 1. They may ask in the examination. Any doubt in this? Acceleration is upward. Apparent weight is equals to apparent weight will be greater than the true weight. 180 minus theta. Very well. Apparent weight. So apparent weight is greater than, less than. Second kind of graph you may expect. Any doubt with this graph? If I want to find out a1. If I want to find out A1 find out ಮಾಡೋಕೆ tan theta 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. So if they give the value of this, ಈ side value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ side value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ 10 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ 5 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. What is acceleration? 10/5. What is acceleration? 10/5. 10/5 is equals to 2 meter per second square. Correct? I can find out acceleration with the help of the graph. Next kind of graph you can expect. You may expect. This is velocity and this is time. Initially, acceleration increases, A0, then decreases. You may expect this kind of graph also. O, A, B, C. O, A, B, C. In this region, let me call it as A1, and here I'll call it as A2, and here I'll call it as A3. We'll write it now. A1 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ A1 is upward, correct? Initially upward ಇರುತ್ತೆ A1 now. A1 is upward, then n is equals to m of g plus a. Upward. In this region, A2 is equals to 0. If A2 is equals to 0, n is equals to mg. Let me call it as n1. We'll call it as n2. In this region, A3 downward, n3 is equals to m of g minus 3. This is very important. Make a note of this. This graph is very important. Make a note of this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ to find A1 is equals to tan theta 1. Here to find A3 is equals to tan theta 2. If the angle between them is theta 1 and ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta 2. Any doubt with this? No? Respond. Simple agidella idu. You will get this. Super. You will get this kind of graph in your examination to solve a problem. I tell you, this kind of graph will be there for your examination to solve a problem. So let me take a problem. Make a note of this. Take a 1 minute of time and make a note. I will write the problem based on this graphs. And lift moving from ground floor to first floor. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾಳೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಗದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಂಕಿ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ರೋಪ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಂಕಿ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ರೋಪ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Observe, the problem is like this. I'll take a standard problem and I'll write on the board. Person of mass 50 kg is standing on a weighing machine kept in lift, which is going up. Calculate n1, n2 and n3. Also find out n1 is to n2 is to n3. Also find out n1 is to n2 is to n3. The graph given is like this. They have given everything, all data in the graph. They given all the data in the graph. So here it is 10 meter per second. T is equals to 0. T t is equals to 5 second, t is equals to 10 second, t is equals to 20 second. T is equal to 20 second. A1, A2, A1, A2, A3. So this is the question. This is the question. Simple ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಿದ್ದು. We can answer this question within a minute. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು fast again. So they're asking us to find out the N1, N2, N3. They're asking us to find out N1, N2, N3. They're asking us to find out N1, N2, N3. N1 will be here, N2 will ಬರುತ್ತೆ, N3 will ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Correct? N1, N2, N3. Before that, I had to find out A1, A2, A3. Before finding N1, N2, N3, I had to find out A1, A2, A3. A1, A2, A3 find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. Written? Have you written that question? Right? Okay, sir, fine. Listen to me. How to find the value of N1, N2, N3? This is the graph. So which kind of graph it is? Lift is going up. Velocity becomes constant. Then it is moving down. Mere hogtade, velocity decreases. Lift is moving from ground floor to first floor. Correct kada? Lift is moving from ground floor, reaches some point, velocity increases up to here, then velocity will be constant, then velocity decreases. Correct? Then velocity decreases. Let me calculate the value of A1. To find out A1, I know that tan theta 1 is a formula. Tan theta 1 means what? This side is 10, each side is to the 10 ಇದೆ, each side is to the 5 ಇದೆ. Perpendicular versus base, perpendicular divided by base. Perpendicular is 10 and base is 5. Therefore, A1 is equals to 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square is A1. Done. So here A2 is equals to what happens? A2 is equals to tan theta. Theta is equals to 0. Therefore, A2 is equals to 0. A2 is equals to 0. A3 is equals to, this is the perpendicular and this is base. I told don't take the signs. Perpendicular divided by base. Perpendicular is 10 and base is 10. Therefore, A3 is equals to 1 meter per second square. 10 20 minus 10 is 10 and this is 10. Correct? I found the value for A1, A2, A3. So I can find out N1, N2, N3. N1 is equals to M of G plus A. N1 is equals to M of G plus A. M is 50 into G plus A. G is 10, A is 12. So that is equals to 600 Newton. 600 Newton. N1 is 600 Newton. N2 is equals to mg ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Correct? If acceleration is 0, N2 is equals to mg. M is 50 and G is 10. So that is equals to 500 Newton. 500 Newton. N3 is equals to M of G minus A because acceleration is moving down. Direction to barcode. A1 is moving up. A3 is moving down. So, 50 into 8, sorry, 9 agata, 9, 50 into 9, 10 minus 1, 9, so that is equals to 45, 450 Newton. 450 Newton. 600, 500, 450. If you observe that, upper end weight goes on decreases. Lift ಹೋಗ್ತಾ upper end weight, true weight ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? Any doubt in this?
No,
Simple
sir.
ಆಗಿದೆ. Very important problem for your exams. No doubt in this. Simple ಆಗಿದೆ. ಉಡಾಯಿಸ್ಬೋದಿದೆ. I can do it within 1 minute of time. N1, N2, N2 is ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Ratio ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If they ask you to find out the ratios, M cancel ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Ratios find out ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ N1 is to N2 is to N3 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ M cancel ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಮೂರನ್ನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು? G plus A is to G minus A na. N1 is to N2 is to N3 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ G plus A is for the 12 is to 10 is to 9. It cannot be divided further. Yes, it is an answer for that. Correct? ಯಾಕೆ G plus A G ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು? M cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ M cancel ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. If M cancels those, we'll get G plus A is to G minus A. Na? Right? So if they give the values with the different numbers, can you solve this kind of question? What they can change? They can change only the number, not the concept from ground floor to first floor. They can change only the number in the examination. They cannot change anything apart from the number. They cannot change anything apart from the number. If they ask you to find out the tension in the rope, if they ask you to find out the tension in the rope, instead of N, put as T. When it is going up, tension is 600 Newton. Don't take tension. N is tension now. If they are asking you to find out the tension in the rope of D, lift, put the N is equals to T. T is equal to 600. When it is going up, 600. When it is moving with constant acceleration, 500. When it is declaration, retarding, then the tension will be equals to 450. N1, N2, N3 tension don't take tension. Shall we move to next kind of concept? Vega in 20 minutes then. So we will finish off the next concept also. Right? Remember, they may change the number. Instead of 10, they may give 15. Instead of 5, they may give 3. They cannot change anything apart from this. I know the concepts very safe. Right?
Sir, if the lift comes back means, so then how to fix it?
When move from first floor to ground floor. Next concept is that when it is moved from first floor to ground floor. Right? The next concept is that if the lift move from first floor to ground floor. Okay, shall we move to ground floor to first floor to ground floor now? We are in.
Yes, sir.
Up to now we went to first floor. Now we have to go down. Going down. Lift. What is the next concept? First floor to ground floor. First floor to ground floor. This is FF. This is GF. GF on the ground floor. GF. This is FF and this is GF. So lift. Same kahani. When it is here, the acceleration, the velocity of the lift is 0. Na? When it is in the first floor, the velocity is equals to 0. If velocity is equals to 0, acceleration is also equals to 0. Na? If acceleration is equals to 0, N is equals to mg. Na? Apparent weight is equals to true weight. Not doubting this. L1. Velocity is equals to 0. Na? Ground floor lift. If velocity is equal to 0, acceleration is also equals to 0. If acceleration is equals to apparent weight is equals to true weight, N is equals to mg. No doubt in this. Put a column in between. And halfway path now. A to B, B to C. If mail in the who will answer for this? What happens for velocity? Whether it increases or decreases. From A to B, region A to B.
Increase.
Increases. Velocity increases. Means velocity is in downward direction. Correct? Downward direction. What happens if velocity increases? Acceleration increase agutta, decrease agutta. Increase whether should be in downward direction or upward direction.
Upward.
Increase
Downward.
Downward or upward. Downward. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇಂದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬರೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ತನಿಷ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ದ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ದ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ರಿಟಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅದು opposing ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ it should not oppose now velocity is increasing means acceleration should be downward very nice super ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡೋದು very serious ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ lift from first floor to ground floor very good when it is moving in this direction velocity increases if velocity increases means acceleration should support it should be in the same direction Then
Excuse me,
acceleration.
sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, can you explain this concept once again? My data pack was finished, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll go back to my concept. I think you have an idea about when it is at first floor and ground floor, velocity is zero and
Yes, sir.
acceleration is zero.
That saying I was there, sir.
That's super. So no. When it is moving down, observe carefully. When it is moving down, velocity should increase. Velocity should increase. When it is moving down, the velocity should increase. If velocity wants to increase, means acceleration should support that velocity. Acceleration is also in the same direction of velocity. Is it right, Priyanka? That's what I'm trying to tell. When
Sir.
body, when lift is moving down, and when lift is moving down, its acceleration, its velocity increases. If its velocity increases, acceleration should be in downward direction.
Increase.
Downward
Yes, sir.
direction. Downward direction means apparent weight n is equals to m of g minus k na. Downward. Then velocity acceleration ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ. I know that if down n is equals to m of g minus a. Done, sir. Done, sir. When it is down, n is equals to m of g minus a. When lift is moving from first floor to ground floor, first apparent weight will be less than the true weight. Sir.
Yes,
Apparent less than the true weight when it is moving off a path. Super. Next off path over the nodi. Who will answer for this? B to C. Of course, it is moving down. Lift is moving down. Velocity increases or decreases?
To decrease.
Decrease. Decrease. It should come to rest. Correct? Decrease. Velocity decreases in this case. Decreases means acceleration should be opposite to this.
Yes, sir.
Decrease what acceleration is acceleration should oppose this. Decreasing retard murder acceleration is opposite to that. Then here n is equals to m of g plus a. Why g plus a? It is opposite. It is up. N is equals to m of g plus a. In this region, apparent weight will be greater than the true weight. That's how we done. Lift moving down, lift moving up. Concept of that graph same irutte. Graph same irutte. Observe my graph. Graph is same. What happens initially? Velocity increases. What happens initially? Velocity increases. What happens after that? Velocity decreases. Velocity decreases. Graph is same. Here I'll get A1, but A1 is downward. A1 is downward. Then n is equals to m of g minus a. Difference. Only up with m of g minus g plus a ಬಂದಿತ್ತು when it is moving from bottom to top. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ A2 is upward. If A2 is upward, n is equals to m of g plus a. Any doubt in this? Same graph, but instead of that, ಇಲ್ಲಿ down, ಇಲ್ಲಿ up. ಇಲ್ಲಿ down, ಇಲ್ಲಿ up. There is a difference here. Any doubt with this? Top to bottom, first floor to ground floor. First time ಆಗುತ್ತೆ apparent weight is less than true weight, then apparent weight will be greater than true weight. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ground to top, apparent weight will be greater than true weight initially, then apparent weight will be less than the true weight. So what is the moral of this story? It is the aim tilkonta idana. What you are learning from this andre velocity direction mere nam formulas is not dependent. It does not depend on the direction of velocity. It depends on acceleration. Super. It depends on acceleration. Even though the lift is moving from top to bottom, even though the lift is moving in this direction, if the acceleration is acting up, then apparent weight will be greater than the true weight.
Sir,
Yes, madam.
sir, from A to B, if acceleration is greater than G,
If A to B acceleration is greater than G, G ಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬರ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, G ಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Whether it may be greater than G, don't take tension about that. G ಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ G plus A. ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಪರೆಂಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಸಾರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪರೆಂಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಯಾವಾಗ G ಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ there will be no contact. ಅವಾಗ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಪರೆಂಟ್ ವೇಟ್. Pressure goes on decreases if A is greater than G ಆದಾಗ.
Sir, N1 will be negative most of that time.
N1 will be negative then. N1 will be negative. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ N1 will be negative. That means the reaction force is much lesser. Correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? Reaction force ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It's decreasing much lesser. Apparent weight is much lesser than the true weight ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Is it right, Kanda? Very good.
Yes,
A is greater than G, other we will get it, that kind of case also. It may possible, but liftally, general liftally, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, lifts are working less than the gravitation force. ಅಂದ್ರೆ G ಗಿನ ಕಡಿಮೆನಲ್ಲೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಆ ರೋಪ್ ಕಟ್ ಆದಾಗ, ಅವನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ರೋಪ್ ಕಟ್ ಆದಾಗ A is equals to G. ನಮ್ಗನ್ಸಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ. Is it right, madam?
Yes, sir.
Did you get an idea about this? Where is the caliper backer? Carrying the mellow backer. You get an idea about this? Shall we write the second graph for this? If second graph for corner, how the second graph will be? Noda, second graph. Velocity, time graph. Same possibility like this. Here A1 till A2 till A3. A1 find out ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, tan theta 1. A1 find out ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ tan theta 1, A2 find out ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, A3 find out ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ tan theta 3. ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, what happens in this region? Acceleration is downward. Acceleration is downward, then n is equals to m of G minus A. In this region, A2 is equals to 0. In this region, n is equals to mg ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. In this region, A3 is equals to A3 upward. If it is upward, n is equals to m of G plus A. Right? So if greater than G, then it is moving with rocket speed. If greater than G, then it is moving with rocket speed. That's fast bರುತ್ತೆ, break fast bರುತ್ತೆ. Shall we move to solve a problem based on this? First floor in the ground floor, one problem ಮಾಡೋಣ fast again. Fine. So take a problem.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Lift of mass 1000 kg. Lift of mass 1000 kg. Lift of mass 1000 kg is moving from first floor to ground floor, FF to GF. Calculate tension in cable of lift. Calculate tension in cable of lift. Cable of lift. The diagram is like this. Graph. Same line. VT, 10 meters per second. T is equals to 0, T is equals to 5, T is equals to 10, T is equals to 20. Calculate things on. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ A1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ A2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ A3. A1, A2, A3. So what do you calculate? First ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Left is, what happens here? First floor to ground floor ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Left is in this region. A1 ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? A1 is downward. A1 is downward. Therefore, tension T is equals to M of G minus A. M of G minus A. What is A1? A1 is equals to 5 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Sorry, 2 meter per second square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A1 is equals to 2 meter per second square. 10 by 5, 2 meter per second square. Therefore, T is equals to M of M ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 10,000, sorry, 1,000 into G minus A. 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So it is equals to 8,000 tension. E regional tension 8,000. E regional tension T is equals to mg summer. It is equals to 1,000 into 10. So that is equals to 10,000 Newton. T2, T1, T2. So next T3. Here acceleration is equals to 1 barutte. M of G plus A because acceleration is upward. So T3 is equals to 1,000 into 11. So it is equals to 11,000. Is there any doubt with this lift problems? Very simple problem will get like this. Calculate the cable in the string. T1, T2, T3. Calculate the tension in the cable. T1, T2, T3. Calculate. No doubt, sir. It's very simple problem. Don't leave the problem in your examinations related to this. Right? So next time, if you have cleared, I'll take some time to explain what we will do in the next class. So next class, let's now monkey problem. We will try to solve a monkey problem in the next class.
Sir, can you move this side, sir?
I will move. Very simple problem. What is there to calculate here? A1 is equals to 2 meter per second square. Tension is 8,000. A2 is equal to 0. Tension is 10,000. A3 is equal to 11. Sorry, 1. Tension is 11,000. Done. So in the very simple problem related to lift is moving from ground to first floor to ground floor. This kind of questions they may ask in the examination. Keep in mind that when it is moving from first floor to ground floor, E region, A is down. E region, A is up. When it is moving from ground floor to first floor, E region, A is up. E region, A is down. If you make any confusions, you'll get ulta answer. Answer ulta barutte, tab barutte. Correct? In this region, when it is moving from first to ground, A is down. E region, A is up. That. Simple logic ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮುಗೀತು ಇದೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರೀತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಡೌನ್ we have to remember in such a way that we should not forget ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು ಡೌನ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇದು ಅಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ right?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Very good.